Good day, travel enthusiasts. Welcome to Voygo, where we take you on unforgettable journeys across the globe. Today, we are setting off to explore the breathtaking beauty of Australia, a land of stunning landscapes, vibrant cities, and natural wonders. From the iconic Sydney Opera House to the enchanting Great Barrier Reef, this continent is bursting with destinations that will captivate your imagination and leave you yearning for more. So, buckle up and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. If you're as excited as we are, make sure to subscribe and join us on this extraordinary exploration. No visit to Australia is complete without seeing the Sydney Opera House. This architectural marvel is renowned for its distinctive cell-like design and hosts world-class performances. Located on Bennelong Point, it offers breathtaking views of Sydney Harbour and is a must-see for any traveller. The Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system, is a paradise for snorkelers and divers. Stretching over 2,300 kilometers, it's home to an incredible variety of marine life. Whether you're exploring the colorful corals or cruising above the reef, this natural wonder is truly spectacular. Uluru, also known as Ayers Rock, is one of Australia's most iconic landmarks. This massive sandstone monolith stands tall in the heart of the red centre and offers a striking contrast against the surrounding desert. The park also features the impressive Katatajada, the Olgas, a group of large, domed rock formations. For one of the most scenic drives in the world, head to the Great Ocean Road. This coastal route offers stunning views of cliffs, beaches, and the famous 12 Apostles rock formations. It's a perfect road trip for nature lovers and those seeking picturesque landscapes. Bondi Beach, located in Sydney, is famous for its golden sands and surf-friendly waves. It's a popular spot for both locals and tourists, offering vibrant cafes, a lively atmosphere, and great opportunities for surfing or relaxing by the ocean. Cradle Mountain in Tasmania is a heaven for hikers and nature enthusiasts. The rugged landscape, dense forests, and serene lakes make it a fantastic spot for outdoor activities. Don't miss the chance to explore the Overland Track for an unforgettable adventure. Melbourne, Australia's cultural capital, is known for its eclectic art scene, vibrant nightlife, and diverse food culture. From the laneway street art to the bustling Queen Victoria Market, there's always something exciting to discover in this dynamic city. The Whitsunday Islands, located in the heart of the Great Barrier Reef, are a tropical paradise with pristine beaches and crystal clear waters. Whitehaven Beach, with its stunning white silica sand, is a highlight that you won't want to miss. Fraser Island, the world's largest sand island, is a natural wonder filled with unique attractions. From its crystal-clear freshwater lakes like Lake Mackenzie to the towering sand dunes and lush rainforests, this island offers an unforgettable outdoor experience. It's also home to the famous Maheno shipwreck, which adds a touch of history to your visit. Whether you're four-wheel driving on the beach or exploring the island's natural beauty, Fraser Island is a must-visit for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Brisbane, the capital of Queensland, offers a laid-back atmosphere with beautiful riverfront parks, a thriving arts scene, and numerous dining options. Explore South Bank, visit the Queensland Art Gallery, or take a cruise along the Brisbane River for a taste of the city's charm. Port Douglas is a charming coastal town that serves as a gateway to the Great Barrier Reef and Daintree Rainforest. Its beautiful beaches, luxury resorts, and relaxed vibe make it a great spot for a tropical getaway. The Blue Mountains, just outside Sydney, offer stunning scenery with its deep valleys, waterfalls, and eucalyptus forests. Popular spots include the Three Sisters Rock Formation and Scenic World, where you can enjoy breathtaking views from the scenic railway and cableway. Adelaide is known for its festivals, food, and wine. Explore the Central Market for fresh produce, visit the Art Gallery of South Australia, or take a short drive to the renowned wine regions of the Adelaide Hills and Barossa Valley. Noosa Heads, located on Queensland's Sunshine Coast, is famous for its beautiful beaches, chic boutiques, and excellent dining options. The Noosa National Park offers scenic coastal walks and is a great spot for spotting wildlife. Canberra, Australia's capital city, is home to national landmarks such as the Australian War Memorial, Parliament House, and the National Gallery of Australia. It's a city rich in culture and history, offering a range of museums and galleries to explore. And there you have it, 15 incredible destinations across Australia that are sure to leave you spellbound. Each location offers its own unique charm and experiences, making Australia a dream destination for any traveler. If this journey through Australia has sparked your wanderlust, show your support by liking this video, subscribing to Voyago, and sharing your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear which destination you're most excited to visit or where you think we should explore next. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, and we can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, keep exploring and dreaming big.